Hi everyone, it's Kathie here in Bundaberg, Queensland, and you see a 33 1/3 inch record to which I put some black paint on. And I have yellow, red and white with obviously some black. And I thought I might like to do just a dirty pour. And oops, too much yellow, not to worry. Take the lids off these and just see what I can get that might be nice. And a squirt of black in here and a bit more red. No barking, come on. I have silicone in the red and the yellow, but not in the black or the white. Actually, I might do a flip cup. So I just need a piece of paper. Fold it over a few times. That should do the trick. Yes. Look, put my hands in it. Clever girl. Yuck. I usually do the flips a little bit better than that. Alright, get most of it off. Stop barking, I asked. Not that they care. Oh, here we go. You're barking still. You're being sneaky with it. This one looks like it's going to be really pretty. Now, where's my little shovel? There it is. I'm not having any luck tonight. Okay, so this is going down. Oh, the yellow's gone. Bring it over this way, may as well get rid of this black. And then back down. So it just turns out to be red and white. That's okay, it looks quite pretty. Alright, so that over there. Give it another wipe, and then I'm just going to give it a torch to see if I have any cells going to come up. Torch and a lighter. There's a cloth. Gooey hands. Didn't want too much on there because if I heat the plastic too much, it's likely to start buckling. I'm just going to bring this over a bit because I don't really want black on the edge, like that. So there we are. And can I get a little bit of this to go black? It's alright. So I've got some cells coming up, and I don't know what happened to my yellow. Just going to bring these blacks down. Okay, so there's a few bit of black. I have some cells coming up here, and it's really quite pretty. See about bringing it down. I have still got a lot of paint on here. Try to do this again without dropping it. Alright, Bring the white down. Stretching it out a bit more. Okay. Well, that's quite nice, isn't it? That last little bit of a tip off. That's really pretty. So I'm just going to wipe my hands and I'll bring you down to have a look. Definitely need to go wash my hands. Gross. Alright. Yes, it even looks pretty from way up here. Okay. So the recipes for the paint and pouring medium you'll find below. Show more under this video. There's also a link there to my Facebook group, which is Australia Art Dreaming, and you're more than welcome to come and join us over there. This is what I've been looking at. And if you haven't already subscribed, please do. Click the little bell and you'll be notified then as I put up more videos into YouTube. And that wasn't my tummy. My dog has his little toy. Has his little toy there. Sounds like a dying frog. Alright. Please give this the thumbs up. And as I've asked, please subscribe, share. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thank you very much for watching. Bye for now.